Are you new to hiking and looking for some tips to help you get the most out of your adventure? Hiking can be a wonderful way to connect with nature and discover your own physical and mental abilities. However, it can also feel daunting if you're just starting out. That's why we've put together this guide with 5 essential tips for beginner hikers to make sure you have a safe and enjoyable experience on the trail. So whether you're gearing up for your first hike or just looking to improve your skills, here are 5 tips for beginner hikers to get the most out of your adventure. However, before we begin our countdown, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 5. Read up on basic first aid. When you're out hiking, accidents can happen and it's essential to be prepared. Having some basic knowledge of first aid can help you deal with injuries, both minor and serious, and keep yourself and your group safe and comfortable on the trail. We recommend taking the time to read up on basic first aid before your next hiking trip. There are plenty of resources available online, including videos and articles that can help you learn how to respond to common injuries and emergencies. It's also a good idea to pack a basic first aid kit to bring with you on your hike. This kit should include essentials like band-aids, gauze, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Number 4. Always carry a source of light. When you're out hiking, it's important to be prepared for any unexpected situations, including getting caught out after dark. Carrying a source of light is essential for staying safe and avoiding accidents. It's a good idea to plan your hike so that you have plenty of time to get to your destination before dark, but sometimes unexpected delays can occur. That's why we recommend carrying a reliable source of light with you at all times. A headlamp is an excellent choice, as it allows you to keep your hands free while navigating the trail. It's important to carry a dedicated light source rather than relying on your phone flashlight, which can drain your battery and may not be as reliable in certain situations. Number 3. Choose the right shoe and sock combo. If you're planning a hike, one of the most crucial things to consider is your footwear. Wearing the wrong shoes and socks can lead to painful blisters, which can quickly ruin your hiking experience. It's essential to choose shoes that fit well and match your unique needs and the terrain you'll be hiking. We recommend visiting an outdoor shop and getting professionally fitted for boots. Look for boots that are snug but not too tight and provide adequate support and protection for your feet. In addition to shoes, your socks are also essential. Number 2. Make sure you have the proper amount of food and water. When you're planning a hike, it's essential to make sure you have enough food and water to sustain yourself on the trail. Water, in particular, is crucial for staying hydrated and healthy while hiking. As a general rule, you should aim to bring 1 liter of water for every 2 hours of hiking. It's better to overpack rather than underpack, as you never know when you might need extra water due to unexpected detours or getting lost on the trail. Consider investing in a reusable water bottle that you can take with you on all your hiking adventures. Not only will you save money and reduce plastic waste, but you can also decorate it with stickers to showcase all the trails you've conquered. Number 1. Plan ahead and check the weather. Are you new to hiking and looking for some tips to help you get the most out of your adventure? Hiking can be a wonderful way to connect with nature and discover your own physical and mental abilities. However, it can also feel daunting if you're just starting out. That's why we've put together this guide with 5 essential tips for beginner hikers to make sure you have a safe and enjoyable experience on the trail. So whether you're gearing up for your first hike or just looking to improve your skills, stay tuned for our top tips to help you get started on your hiking journey. So that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to get all the latest updates.